When you think about silver decor, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For most of us, it's that amazing shine, right? But what if I told you there's so much more going on? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the world of pure silver home decor. We're talking about pieces that are more than just beautiful objects. They're art, they're history, and they hold this incredible timeless value. So let's get into the real story behind that sparkle. I love this quote. The essence of the beautiful is unity in variety. It hits the nail on the head for what we're talking about today. Think about your home. Its beauty isn't from everything being the same, right? It's from all the different pieces coming together. And pure silver, well, it has this incredible knack for being the thing that ties it all together. It can connect totally different styles, different eras, all with its simple, timeless elegance. Okay, so let's dig a little deeper, past that shiny surface. In this first part, we're really going to get into the heart of it. The stuff that gives pure silver its soul. The things that make it such a standout choice for your home.
So what's the big deal with pure silver? Why is it so special? Well, it really boils down to these four things. First, you're looking at a true statement of artistry. A lot of these pieces are handcrafted with just incredible skill. Then there's the connection to heritage. You're holding something that's part of a long tradition of craftsmanship. Plus, its luster is just different. It's got this unique warmth and brightness you don't get with other metals. And finally, let's be real, it's an investment in something that is truly timeless. It's never going out of style.
And this right here, this is really the core of it all. See, when you bring a piece of pure silver into your home, you're doing more than just decorating. You're not just filling a space on a shelf. You're basically adopting a piece of a legacy. It's an object that's going to soak up memories, witness family moments, and eventually become something you can pass down. It's a future heirloom in the making. Okay, so to really get why these pieces are so special, we have to talk about what pure silver actually means. It's time to get a little technical and look at the material itself. All right, here's the magic number. 99.9%. Pure silver, which is also called fine silver, is the element at its absolute most, pure. We're talking 99.9% pure silver. And that tiny little bit of difference, that 0.1%, it changes everything. It's the secret sauce that gives it that incredible, brilliant shine and makes it totally different from other silver alloys you might see out there. And that leads us to the question I get all the time. And honestly, it's a great one. You see all these labels, right? Silver, sterling silver, silver plated. It can be super confusing. So what is the actual difference? Now, this little chart here lays it all out beautifully. Look at that top row, purity. Pure silver is 99.9%. Sterling silver, on the other hand, is 92.5%. So what's in that other 7.5%? It's usually copper, and it's added to make the silver harder, which is great for things that get a lot of use, like forks or rings. And silver-plated? That's just a super thin coating of silver on top of some other cheaper metal. And as you can imagine, this all makes a huge difference in the value and, this is key, the luster. Pure silver has this bright, warm glow. Sterling is bright too, but it has a cooler feel. And that plated finish? Yeah, that can just wear right off over time. All right, so we've established it's gorgeous, it's valuable, but I know what you're thinking. What about taking care of it? So let's talk about that, because this is the part where a lot of people get a little nervous. Let's just say it, tarnish. It's the big, scary word that makes people think twice about owning beautiful silver. But I'm here to tell you, it's so much easier to deal with than you probably imagine. Okay, first things first, we need to change how we think about tarnish. It's not a flaw. It doesn't mean your silver is low quality. Actually, it's the opposite. Tarnish is just a natural chemical reaction. It happens when silver meets stuff in the air. So in a weird way, it's proof that what you have is the real deal. And the best part, it's not permanent. And taking care of it? Seriously, it's so simple. Forget about harsh chemicals and spending hours polishing. This is all about a gentle routine. A little dusting now and then with a soft cloth will prevent most of it. If it needs a bit more, just use some mild soap and warm water. The absolute most important thing is to pat it dry right away. Think of it less like a chore and more like a simple, peaceful ritual. Okay, let's bring this all home. We've talked about how beautiful it is, what makes it so pure, and how easy it is to care for. Now let's tie it all together and talk about what it all really means in the long run. That number again, 99.9%. It really does say everything, doesn't it? It stands for purity, for authenticity. It's a promise of quality. That number is the reason for everything we've been talking about, that amazing shine, the real value, and what makes these pieces so special. And that's really the big takeaway here. A piece of pure silver decor isn't just something that sits there. It's an active part of your home. It sees everything. It becomes part of your family's story. It doesn't just reflect light, it reflects the life happening all around it.
So, I want to leave you with this one final thought. Think of a piece of pure silver as a blank page. It's just waiting for you to write on it. It's going to be around long after trends have come and gone, long after your sofa has been replaced. It's going to be a silent storyteller for your family. So the only question left is, what story will your silver tell?